Hey guys, thanks for joining in and welcome to BOXX. In this tutorial, we will walk through how to create a simple login system in PHP without using a database. If you want to follow along, the code download is on the BOXX website. Link in the description box below. Step 1. Create an HTML login page. This should be pretty straightforward. Just a regular login form with the username and password. Then on submission, we will use a PHP script to handle the login process. Step 2. The PHP Login Process. As there is no database, we simply store the users and passwords in an array instead. Next, we start the session. On the login form submission, we will check against the user's array if valid credentials are entered. Register the user into the session when the credentials are valid. In the case of a wrong user or password, we set a failed flag. Use this to display a message in the login page itself. Lastly, redirect the user to the home page on a successful login. Step 3. Protecting the pages. In all the other pages, simply start the session and check if the user is signed in. If the user is not signed in, simply redirect them back to the login page. Finally, signing out is as simple as adding a logout form to the page. On submission, we unset the user session, and that will redirect them back to the login page. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more. See you in the next one.